The health benefits of drinking garlic water in the morning and a simple recipe to use at home. Garlic is a common cooking ingredient and a natural bulb used to add flavour to delicious meals. This was used by the ancient Egyptians over 4,000 years ago as a natural medicine and to increase strength. It was also well documented and used by ancient Greeks, Romans, Chinese and Indians. Nowadays, garlic is becoming popular once more for fighting off diseases and boosting health around the world. It has been shown to fight hard-to-treat diseases such as MRSA, staph infections, cardiovascular disease, obesity, arthritis, erectile dysfunction and more. Before we explore the deeper benefits of garlic water, let's first take a look at the recipe. Recipe you will need 3 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of warm water, and 1 slice of lemon. Method: pre-boil the water and allow it to cool until lukewarm. Peel and thinly slice the garlic and lemon. Add the ingredients to the water and stir well. Allow this to steep for 15 minutes before straining and drinking. Do not use boiling water. It is important that the garlic isn't cooked because there are more benefits when the garlic is raw. You can store this drink for 2 to 4 days in the refrigerator. The healthy compounds and minerals within the garlic are released into the water, making them easier for your body to absorb. Drinking this on an empty stomach in the morning is the perfect way to start the day and provides numerous health benefits to your body. Let's take a look at 21 facts and benefits of drinking garlic water on a daily basis. 1. Boosts immunity. Garlic contains over 27 active ingredients which strengthen your body against viral, fungal, bacterial and parasitical infections. It is often used in Europe to fight off MRSA and staph infections, as these diseases are highly resistant to antibiotic drugs. 2. Blood clots. Drinking this mixture daily is a great way to help lower blood pressure by increasing circulation around the body. Ajuine, a compound from the garlic, is an antithrombotic, meaning that it can help to prevent blood clots. 3. Anti-cancer. Garlic is one of the most powerful anti-cancer foods on planet Earth. Scientific studies show that it contains bioactive sulfur which blocks the formation of cancer cells and can also help to kill off existing cancer cells. 4. Blood sugars. One of the main benefits of drinking garlic water is its ability to help your body control its blood sugar levels and insulin. Drinking it in the morning helps to stabilize blood glucose through the day to reduce the risk of diabetes. 5. Dandruff. You can also apply this water directly to your scalp as a hair rinse. The powerful ingredients in both the lemon and the garlic are antifungal and antimicrobial, meaning that they destroy harmful microbes on the scalp and clear up flakes and dandruff. 6. Acne. Garlic is a well-known remedy for reducing pimples, spots, blackheads, whiteheads and acne. Its antibacterial properties help to prevent an overproduction of oil in your sebaceous glands. Drinking garlic water can really help to clear up this problem. 7. Anti-aging. Garlic water is packed full of antioxidant compounds that can slow the effects of aging, such as wrinkles, cognitive decline and joint weakness. 8. Nerve health. Garlic contains a rare form of vitamin B1 called allithiamine, which has the ability to pass the blood-brain barrier and can also penetrate deep into your nerve cells. B1 fights against nerve damage, reduces anxiety, brain fog and neuropathy. 9. Alzheimer's. Research has shown consuming garlic regularly can lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. It helps to prevent amyloid plaquing in the brain so that your brain can continue to work properly well into old age. 10. Inflammation. Drinking garlic in this tea form can help your body to absorb the important compounds it contains. By lowering blood sugars, garlic water helps to reduce inflammation, pain, swelling, toothache and aching muscles. 11. Arthritis. If you suffer with arthritis and joint pain, then this remedy can help you. The allicin and thiochromone help to reduce stiffness and restore some mobility. 12. Heart health. As we mentioned earlier, garlic and lemon water help to improve blood circulation. Studies also show that it can reduce arterial plaque and clogged arteries and can therefore help in protecting from heart disease, stroke and other cardiovascular problems. 13. Weight loss. If you want to lose weight, drink this mixture every morning for at least 2 weeks. You will notice that your cravings for sweet foods diminishes because of how it helps with blood sugar control. Citrates from the lemon and allicin from the garlic both work to help you burn fat at a faster rate. 14. Flat tummy. The minerals in the lemon and the garlic, along with the hydrating power of water, can also improve your digestion. This can give you a flatter tummy, especially if you drink this mixture on an empty stomach each day. 15. Detoxification. The combination of garlic, lemon and water helps to detoxify your body. It helps to support your liver by helping it to strip away unwanted fat. This improves your hormone balance, energy levels and general well-being. We always recommend sulfur-rich foods like garlic, onions and broccoli sprouts to support a healthy liver. 16. Depression. If you suffer with low mood or depression, then this drink can help. The allithiamine or vitamin B1 in garlic is the type that can pass the blood-brain barrier and help to restore energy to your brain cells. This improves connections in the brain, making you feel happier, more energized and focused. 17. Fungal infections. Did you know that garlic water can also be used to fight fungal infections such as athlete's foot, ringworm or jock itch? The ajoine and allicin compounds destroy these harmful invaders from your skin. 18. Sore throat. If you have a sore throat or a mild cold, drinking this in the morning will help to clear it up faster. Allicin, its main healing compound, helps to kill off the infection and speed up the life cycle of a cold. 19. Nutrition. This combination contains healthy doses of vitamin C, allicin, sulfur, B vitamins, manganese and selenium. It also contains small amounts of other essential minerals, including phosphorus, iron, potassium, copper and calcium. 20. Food poisoning. Garlic is often used in Asian countries to prevent food poisoning. When added to meals, it destroys harmful bacteria and parasites that may be present. 21. Other uses. You can also add garlic to fresh stir-fries, soups and broths. You can shave it finely and rub it across low-carb breads, or add it to your favorite salad dressing. Lemon juice can also be used in various recipes and will complement garlic by improving its absorption. As you can see, garlic water with a little lemon is an amazing combination for human health, especially when taken on an empty stomach in the morning. We recommend using organic garlic when possible and make sure that it's fresh. The fresher the garlic, the more benefits it provides. To learn more about natural remedies, nutrition and healthy tonics, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.